Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here to help you start breaking those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life. So we are at day number 27 of the 28-day whiteboard work. And so today it's about divine rest and trusting the process. So remember, although the whiteboard looks like nothing is there, that's where everything lies. All potential, all probability, all things are possible. And so we've talked about the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. So keep those things in the back of your mind when you're making a decision, and you have access to the whiteboard anytime that you decide that you're going to operate from the whiteboard. Okay? Remember, you can awaken to a brand new whiteboard every single day, as many times a day as you decide. You see, you are indeed powerful. However, your power has been covered up by the data, the memories, and other people's programs. And so this is typically what your whiteboard looks like, unless you are conscious and aware that you have direct access to the whiteboard at any time that you decide. And so you want to fill your heart and your mind, your very being, with gratitude, with thanksgiving, with thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude is a state of being. And when you get to that place of sincere gratitude, you can start cleaning the whiteboard. Giving gratitude is giving love. So you want to start getting to a place of learning how to rest. Okay? Although it looks like nothing is here, everything is here. So learn how to go straight to the whiteboard. Learn how to start trusting the process. Remember, it's not up to us to figure out how. If you are in the process of figuring out how it all has to work, that's what you call resistance. That's what you call negativity. That's what you call doubt. So start to exercise your ability. You can only choose for you. You can choose memory, data, other people's program, or you can go straight to the whiteboard. Operate from a place of inspiration and where you know beyond knowing that things are going to work in your favor. So, when you get to the place of being happy with nothing, you can have everything. When you get to the place where you can be happy with nothing, just like the whiteboard, looks like nothing's there. However, when you go to the whiteboard, know that you can have everything. You see, there was a time in my life where I didn't ask for anything, and everything showed up. So do remember that all things are possible. And thoughts are things, so that means that all thoughts are possible. So learn how to rest. I've studied rest for about 4 years now, and it is definitely something that we have to renew our minds to, because we are so programmed to be busy, to be going. And this doesn't mean just laying around doing nothing. This means to have that place in your heart, have it settled in your heart that all things are possible, that things are going to work in your favor, that the struggle is over, that there's nothing missing, nothing broken, and you take inspired action, knowing that you can choose limits or you can choose love without limits, knowing that the invisible is far more powerful than the visible. And so here's just an example for you. I have my own business from home. I have a couple of businesses from home. And I literally, minimally invite one person a day to see a presentation. And because I go straight to the whiteboard, since May, and it is February, in that period of time, my team has grown to over 2,000 people. How does that happen? Rest. I trust the process. I do a little, and I expect it to be multiplied, and it is. Okay? That's how I've operated my life for a very long time. And I can tell you, if you can get to the place where you can say yes, and you let it be, you take inspired action, amazing, amazing things can happen. Remember that abundance is our birthright. Okay? And so when you start going straight to the whiteboard and align with all things are possible, and you allow those things to be made manifest for you, and you come from a place of sincere gratitude in your heart, guys, what looks like miracles can literally happen in every area of your life. And so I am grateful for the time that we've had together. We have one more day. And I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.